Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Realme C33. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here in the search pool enter Google Classroom. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Click on Get Started and choose or add a different account. Now select this plus button, join the class. Here enter the class code and press on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.